Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is Frankie Fitwolf. It's time for a product review time. Alright, so you don't see me laying down very often, but you do see the bed in nearly every one of my videos, unless I'm in the kitchen cooking, and you also always see a dog on my bed. I love my dogs, I love my girls. But this bed is also 12 inches of memory foam, and dogs can have accidents. So when Ghostbed contacted me about doing a review of a mattress protector, a waterproof mattress protector, I was super excited. I got it, I put it on, and I'm so happy with it. I've tried them before, and a lot of times they are crinkly and almost sound plasticky, but this is cloth. This is soft. It feels nice. And even better, I am always hot. And memory foam, while it is comfortable, while it is good for my back, it tends to hold in heat. And throughout the night, I can get even hotter, especially during winter when we have to turn on, or fall technically, but during this season when I have to turn on the heat, this thing really likes to hold it in. But I put this guy on, it's fine. Before I put this thing on, I would put on a fitted sheet, put on a comforter, put a fitted sheet over the comforter, and then use another sheet to actually cover myself up with. I've had this on here for 3 or 4 days now, not been waking up hot at all. So that was an extremely exciting bonus feature that I was not quite expecting. So it's quiet. I guess that's maybe why they call themselves Ghostbed. I've heard of them. I know Barrett Pastor has a pillow by them that she loves. I want to get one. I'm probably going to buy one soon. And now I have this. It's super awesome. They also have a bunch of other bed products like mattresses and things like that really worth checking out. I'll have a link down below to them that you can check out what I have and just look at their store and see what else they have. They have some amazing products. And what I really love about this, let me turn this camera around and I'll show you. All right, so fitted sheets all the time, especially with memory foam, especially with my size that I'm currently at, they like to pop off. But this guy, it hooks underneath. I don't know if you can even tell, but it hooks way under there all the way around. So, sorry, ignore my keys. So that it's not going to pop off anytime soon. And it's got material that goes all the way down there. So I am absolutely loving this. In case it wasn't obvious when I was pulling that out, that is a 2-inch elastic band that is on the edge of that because you couldn't really see when I was trying to show you. But that is all the way around the edge. It's not like fitted sheets where it's just on the ends of the bed. It's all the way around it. So that is held tight all the way around the entire mattress, which is awesome. Other facts that you need to know, I'm going to look at my screen because I don't know how to pronounce some of these words. So the technology that's in it, it is a non-migrating antimicrobial technology. Basically what that means is that it'll help eliminate allergens and other things like that. Especially in my case with having the dogs in my bed all the time. This mattress does come with a 10-year warranty, or mattress protector. Mattress protector comes with a 10-year warranty. There's always free shipping. And they do say that it works best with Ghostbed mattresses. I do not have one yet. So I'm testing it on my memory foam. And like I said, it's been on there for 3 or 4 days and it has been wonderful. So keep that in mind. And I will include a link down below to where you can go and get this and look at their website and see all the other products they have. And lastly, in case you're wondering, like, you're doing a product review, yes, I've done the Tea Kettle one. This one doesn't seem fully appropriate for weight loss, but it does, guys. We need to treat ourselves while we are working so hard to lose weight, to be healthy, to improve our lives. We need to actually pamper ourselves. Amy, the TMI queen, all the time, she will have Treat Yourself Tuesday. Some of us can't afford to do that every single week, so you do it when you can. And this is one of those things that you totally can because it's the quietness of it
was the selling factor for me. I mean, being able to sleep on a waterproof mattress protector and not be crinkly, sound like you're in a hospital bed or something, that's fantastic. I love it. So yeah, so treat yourself, give yourself some comfort. This could be one of the many ways you do it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.